So let me show you two methods on how to fix this problem. So the first method, if you want to fix this problem now, after you open up the Google Drive, now you go to this My Drive button. After you click on My Drive, now I will start by folder. So if it is folder, right click on the folder. After you right click on the folder, go to this Organize and then go to this Add Shortcut button. So from this option, now select the location. So now I'll just click on this Allow or all location. So click on this My Drive and then click on this Add button. So from there, now it will create a shortcut for this folder for me. So the next thing you should do, now you click on this New. So you go to New Folder. So now you create a folder. So rename the folder. So after you give the folder name like this, so create folder. So the next thing you should do, now you select this file. After you select this file, right click on the file and then go to this where it says Organize File. After you click on this Organize, then you go to this Move. So from this option, now you select the folder that you created. So here is the folder. I'll select this folder and click on this Move button. So after you move the shortcut into the folder, then now if you right click on the folder and then now you click on this download button, so from there it will now show you the limit error. So that's the first method. So if it is only a single file, you right click on the file. Let's say here is the file. So if it is a single file, let's say here is the file. So like right click on the file. After right click on the file, then you go to this make a copy. So after you make a copy of the file, so now allow for some seconds, it will give you the copy. So here is the copy of the file. So the next thing you should do, now you right click on the file again and go to the download button. So from there, now it will not show you the error which says limit 42 hours or something like this. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.